How to become a successful crypto copy trader on Bingx. Tips and tricks from top traders. You won't believe how these top crypto copy traders crush it on Bingx. Hey there, it's your boy Ryan, and I'm about to show you the sizzling hot secrets of becoming a successful crypto copy trader on Bingx. If you're looking to up your trading game and stack those sweet sats, then you're in the right place, my friend. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ryan, how the heck do I start copy trading and make bank like the big dogs? Well, let me tell you, it ain't rocket science, but it does take some serious know-how. That's why I've put together this epic guide, chock full of insider tips and tricks from the top copy traders on Bingx. So, buckle up, grab a cold one, and get ready to take some serious notes because this is about to be a wild ride. First things first, let's talk about the holy grail of copy trading, finding those killer traders to follow. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, how do I find the creme de la creme of copy traders? Well, my friend, it's all about doing your homework. You gotta scour the Bingx leaderboard, check out those traders' performance histories, and dig into their strategies. Look for the ones with consistently solid returns, low drawdowns, and a rock-solid risk management game. These are the real MVPs, the ones you want to be copycatting. But it's not just about finding the best traders. Oh no, my friend. You gotta make sure you're diversifying your portfolio like a boss. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread that sweet crypto love around. Mix it up. Follow a few different traders with complementary strategies and watch those gains skyrocket. Now, let's talk about risk management, the holy grail of trading. This is where the big baller copy traders separate themselves from the wannabes. You gotta know your risk tolerance, set ironclad stop losses, and never over-leverage. Trust me, one wrong move and you can kiss those gains goodbye faster than you can say Satoshi Nakamoto. And speaking of Satoshi, let's not forget about the importance of staying up to date on the latest crypto news and trends. You gotta be a crypto ninja, constantly scanning the horizon for new opportunities and adjusting your strategy accordingly. Because let me tell you, this market moves faster than a Bugatti on the Autobahn. But wait, there's more. When you're ready to start crushing it on Bingx, make sure you use the exclusive referral code 911 when you sign up. Trust me, this little nugget of info is pure gold, and it'll give you a killer edge over the competition. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ryan, this all sounds amazing, but how do I actually get started with copy trading on Bingx? Well, my friend, I've got you covered. All the links and essential info you need are right here in the description and pinned comment below. So make sure you check them out, and don't forget to use that killer referral code 911 when you sign up. Alright, that's it from me, folks. I've spilled the beans, shared the secrets, and now it's your turn to dominate the world of crypto copy trading on Bingx. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, crush it, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more epic content. Peace out.